Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we will discuss writing task 1. So this is a sample from the official Cambridge IELTS test, writing task 1. So the question states, the chart below gives information on the percentage of British people giving money to charity by age range for the years 1990 and 2010. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Okay, so this talks about 2 years. Firstly, it talks about 2 years, which are 1990 and 2010. Okay, secondly, it has 5 age groups: 18 to 25, 26 to 35, 36 to 50, 51 to 65, and greater than 65. And this is a bar graph. Okay, so we have got 2 years, the age group is this, and this is a bar graph. Okay, so let's begin with how we can write this. So we can say that given the given bar graph showcases or elucidates the percent of British people doing philanthropic activity in the year 1990 and 2010. Okay, because in the first thing we often mostly do is to paraphrase the topic sentence. So this is the topic sentence. Okay, this is your sentence, right? So you have to paraphrase it, you have to paraphrase the topic. Okay, the second comes your overall. So overall, so what can we see overall? Overall we can see that the people in the age groups of 36 to 50 did the biggest contribution. Okay, they were the highest donors in terms of charity. Okay, they did the most philanthropic activity by providing money for charity. So this group was the highest. So while we can see that the group which did the lowest was 18 to 25. So overall, all in all, okay, the age group between 36 to 50 gave the biggest donation, while the age group between 18 to 25 donated the lowest amount. So this is your overall. So now we can do it in in 2 ways. We can say in the years, okay, or by age group. We can so for your body paragraph 1, we can either divide this in years, like, so for example we can say in the years 1990 this was the trend, and in your body paragraph 2 you can say in the years 2010 this was the trend, or you can divide it in by age groups. Okay, so let's do it by the years. Body paragraph 1. Okay, body paragraph 1. In the year 1990, british people British citizens donated British citizens belonging to the age group belonging to the age group 18 to 25 donated about 17%. One mistake that you could do is write donated about 17% of their income. Now this is wrong because nowhere it is shown that they are donating from their income. Okay, it could be presumed, but it is not shown anywhere here that they are donating from their incomes. Okay, so donated about 17%. Okay, the trend increased as the trend increased with the increase in age groups until the age groups of 36 to 50 group of 36 to 50, which was coincidentally the biggest donor group. Okay, because we can see that the age groups of 36 to 50 is the biggest donor group. Okay, in the year 1990 at nearly 42%. Now the age group between 51 to 65 and greater than 65 donated at least one third to charity. So this concludes your body paragraph 1. Okay, now coming back to your body paragraph 2. Okay, now your body paragraph 2. Okay, now in your body paragraph 2 you can say, in the year the chart showcases that the age groups between that overall there was a drastic increase in charities from just above 5% by the age group 18 to 25 to nearly how much? To nearly around 40%, which marks an increase of which marks an eightfold increase in the donations by the age group 51 to 65. Okay, so because we can see that the age groups 18 to 25 in the year 2010 donated about 5%, but by the age group 51 to 65 had donated about nearly 40%. So this is an eightfold increase. Okay, people older than 65 donated how much? About just above one third, 33%. Okay, so this is your writing task 1. The first thing we do always is to paraphrase the topic sentence. We paraphrase the topic sentence here. We did our overall, which shows the overall what was the biggest group, donation group, and and then discussed our body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. So if you have any further questions, please let me know, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button